The spider is here.
Whoa! It's huge!
Remember, we target the legs.
Roger that!
Let's see what we've got. 8 rubies and 6 emeralds.
What gems we stored last time?
I think it was gold, diamond and ruby. But let's check to be sure.
Okay. Then I'll print the dictionary.
Hold on. Printing it will display both the names and the account.
Yeah, so?
But here, we need to see only the names. That is, the keys.
How do I display just the keys of a dictionary?
Like this. This line asks Mr. Python to display the keys in gems count.
Hey, can we even display just the values of a dictionary?
Yep, using the words values.
The word keys display keys and values display values.